Hello friends, welcome to Subhan Tech YouTube channel. This video discuss about by Amazon Net PPM strategy. How smart vendors increase margins and avoid CRAP out. As Amazon vendors, do you struggle to understand why some of your slides listening thrive while others quietly disappears? Amazon Net's PPM or Amazon Net Pure Profit Margin is the answer that most often choose the ignore is split of being it's such an impactful matrix. This is a number Amazon uses to judge how profitable your product really are after cost, discount, and vendors terms. Yes, there actually a formula would needs to keep low. Amazons may even stop replenishing certain SKUs. Although it's a dreaded condition that the sellers recognize as CRAP out and realize a profit. Funny as it may sound, but not for the vendors facing it, making the Amazon Net PPM report absolutely essential for performance reviews. But here's the good news, you can influence net PPMs, and we'll discuss this in our article, as well as formulas, impact on vendors, and more by knowing how Amazon circulated its and taking strategic actions from optimizing your cost of goods sold and renegotiating trade terms and running smarter promotions. You can keep your product in Amazon good grace. Quick guide. What is net PPM Amazon? How to calculate and analyze Amazon net PPM? Why is Amazon net PPM important for Amazon vendors? How does Amazon profit margin impact our operations? How to find Amazon's net PPM report in Amazon Vendor Central? What is a good net PPM for Amazon? Key strategies to improve your Amazon net PPM. Final thoughts. What is Amazon net PPM? Net PPM, Amazon's meanings net pure profit margin, is the main profitability matrix. Amazon uses the tax vendors profit for the profitability or specific products. It is also sometimes referred as the processors margins. Amazon flags the product as low profitability in vendor central's analytics dashboards. So when you find the net BPMs dropping below our category target of 25%, you know it's time to maintain purchase volume or to improve cost terms or additional marketing contributions. Amazon Net's PPM also indicates the percentage profit Amazon earns from listening and selling a vendor's products. For the vendors understanding and optimizing this matrix is crucial for maintaining a strong relationship with Amazon. Before getting deeper into net PPM Amazon meaning, this help you secure a favorite positions with Amazon that makes negotiation easier for you to improve profitability for both parties. Now that you learned what net BPM Amazon is, let's dive deeper into it. How to calculate and analyze Amazon net PPM. The calculations of Amazon net PPM determines the percentage profit Amazon makes after factoring in the cost of good vendors contributions and sales discount. Amazon net PPM's calculations. The formula for Amazon net PPM calculations varies slightly depending on whether it is for a single product or the covers vendor accounts. But before you start Amazon net PPM calculation, you need to collect specific data points such as average selling price, shipped revenue. Is it the total revenue generated from the sales of a product? Cost price shipped, COGS, cost of goods sold. It is the amount Amazon pays the vendors for the product. Vendor terms contra COGS. These terms are the incentives that our vendors provides to Amazon to reduce the effective cost of the product. For Amazon, think of them as credit that lower the price Amazon pays without actually changing the invoice cost. It may include trade, investment, co-op agreements, or equivalent provides by the vendors that offsets of cost of for Amazon. For example, say you pay Amazon $2 per until if they features your product in a marketing campaigns. That's trade investment or that end of Q3 Amazon receive $5,000 as a volume rebate based on a total until purchased, which is an accrual reducing the cost of goods for Amazon over time. Sales account. These are discounts such as promo code, redemptions, coupons, gift card, promotions, best deals, lightning deals, prime day, spotlight streets, and subscribe and save discount provided to the customers that are later deducted from the margin. Amazon Net PPM calculations for single asset. Amazon Net PPM average selling price, cost price plus vendor terms, sales discounts, corresponding sales price 100x. Let's assume the average selling price ASP as $49.99. Cost price what Amazon pays you as $30 vendors, terms marketing rules, fridge, allowance, etc. As these are the deductions, vendors, terms, marketing, evaluations, rules, etc. Which is a promotional discounts or coupons Amazon offers to customers. Now when plugins into the formula Amazon's net PPMs as the cost price plus vendor term sales discounts. So the Amazon net PPM for this ASIN is 40.98%. Similarly for vendors account Amazon net PPM calculations. Amazon net PPM shipped revenue shipped COGS vendors term sales discounts corresponding sales price x 100. Why is Amazon net PPM important for Amazon vendors? Understanding and optimizing Amazon net PPMs essential for safeguarding terms trades. Which SKUs Amazons will prioritize, keep, or cut deals advertising, lightly etc. Audit the cost structures and negotiate vendor terms and shipping fees. Engaging the Amazon vendors or selling managers to understand the products. How does Amazon profit margin impact our operation? For vendors, Amazon profitability can't be called down which one metrics. It directly determines whether Amazon continues to stock, promote, and support your product. While Amazon's net PPM is crucial, it does not account for operational costs like translate into long-term growth for a vendor. How to find Amazon net PPM report in Amazon Vendor Center. To assess the necessary component for calculation, you must specially customize the column. Open Vendor Central, go to menu for a click on report. Under report, click on retail analytics. Click on net PPM for the top bar, choose your time frame and other options and click on what formats you want reports to be in CSV or Excel. Finally hit download. What is a good net PPM for Amazon? What considered goods for PPMs? Amazon is not one size fit all indicator instead it depends heavily on the respective category benchmarks that Amazon has set internally but mentions headlines these are debated appliance vendors implies several strategies to improve Amazon's net PPMs. Renegotiates a vendor's terms. As vendor's terms, Costra, COG on trades, investment are added to Amazon margin calculations. Careful management of the term is essential. Vendors can review co-ops, accurates, or promotional agreements to ensures they align with profitability goals. Revisiting and revising these terms or offering Amazon better purchase conditions, increase low Amazon net PPMs demand because your viral trends promotions comes for requirements of close vigils to make sure the profit margin is not regularly reviewed. Our product range ensures the margins and Amazon's net PAPM can fluctuate due to the change in cost. Discounts on markets gives you the great power during vendors negotiations. Profitability patterns, Amazon's pricings and assortments, and margin a consistency healthy net. PPMs to stands overall business परफॉर्मेंस. सो गाइस आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं अब अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय.